Okay, here we go with the pendulum readings of the day. Am I speaking to a negative spirit? No. Am I speaking to a mimic spirit? No. Am I speaking to a trickster? Who am I speaking to? Source. Okay, Source. What message do you have for the collective today? Focus on healing what is unhealed is a blocker. You are moving into the 5D. Blockers slow you down. Healing takes place through the subconscious mind. Yep, which is why I became a hypnotist. I'm a past life regressionist. If you'd like to book a session, please put the word love in the chat and I'll send you the details. Anything else? Yes. Start with meditation to sense what you need help with. That's a really great idea. That's a great idea. I can teach how to meditate as well. Yes. S-H-A. Shay means teach. Okay? You heard me. Okay? Yes. Is there anything else for the collective? No. Help them heal Shay. I need to follow my calling and my work. I was called to become a hypnotist to get into healing work, and I'm also a Reiki practitioner. There you go. There's your reading for today.